They are trouble.
Anti don't never gambi rakunywa shampoo, you know. So kabatox kamala obatongere. Two things here. Whoever comes online and speaks about politics, one, either mwagala dissing the current government, or two, by joining your bandwagon. The question was, does the person have credentials? Bwabalina credentials, then well and good, because it's not the only candidate. Waliaba, do they have credentials? Well and good. Obabalina made the best man win. What you'll not do, you'll not oppress people, you'll not intimidate people who want to freely speak about what they believe in. Remember, it's their opinion. Namwe mwina opinions zizamwe, which we actually do not disagree with. Rachiwe tu raising ezafe, you guys find it a problem. You know? So buli omu agumire wali. Gwobola nti chikolera bera kwecho. Abalala baganti bali abalabe babakolera babere kwecho. Naffe abaliwo abagala obulungi bw'ensi. Doesn't matter who becomes president, whether it's your guy or it's the current president that's going to continue. It doesn't matter. What we want is what's best for the country. Every citizen wants what's best for the country. So ebintu by'okubeera nga mu intimidating abantu, you oppressing people, bwe munaatuvumenye nnyo tetujja kwogerako, nedda mukwano, nedda. We have rights as citizens to raise our voices, to give our opinions, just like you are entitled to yours. Kadi, I'm gonna chill my shampoo. See your life. See your life, oh. Do not intimidate me. Do not intimidate me. I'm strong. I believe in what I'm saying, and that's it. Are the credentials there? Doesn't matter who it is. May the best man win. Nah, it's not gonna work. Y'all have a nice day. I'm actually heading out for more botox. See you on the other side.